In this video, I'll show you how to use the interactive activities for your primary science course. Sign into your account, select your course and click on Learning Kit. Here you'll find two types of interactive activity: interactive content activities and interactive language activities. Let's start with interactive content activities. These activities are aimed at reinforcing key vocabulary and concepts from the course. You can check your answers as you go along, or you can check them all once the activity has finished. If you want to reattempt the activity, you can do this as well by clicking on Try Again. Now let's look at interactive language activities. These activities will help your students feel more comfortable with grammar structures, as well as improving their accuracy in writing and speaking in English. Select the unit you're working on. You'll see that there are various language structures to practice. Like the interactive content activities, you can check your answers as you go along, or check all once the activity has ended. If you want to reattempt the activity, you can do this as well by clicking on Try Again. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when we release new content. See you in the next video.